Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have some new information regarding 3 new filings by the defense of this date, June 2nd, 2025, according to the case summary page in Idaho versus Koberger, which has been updated the afternoon of June 2nd, 2025. If you go towards the bottom, page 95 of 96 of the case summary page, you will see these 3 interrelated documents. The first, dated June 2nd, 2025, is Supplemental Request for Discovery, defendant's 23rd Supplemental Request for Discovery. There is a PDF icon next to this title. This tells us that this is a public record which will appear on the public docket. It does not as of the time of the recording of this podcast episode. 23rd Supplemental Request for Discovery tells us that this is now following the 1st through the 22nd. Supplemental meaning additional from what has been requested before. Discovery is evidence the defense feels is in the possession, custody, or control of the state of Idaho, which the defense feels is relevant to Mr. Koberger's defense of this case. The second item is also a PDF icon attached to it. Motion to redact or seal newly filed records. This is described on the case summary page as motion to seal Exhibit V as in Victor to defendant's 23rd Supplemental Request for Discovery. Since the beginning of this case, as we have reported in prior episodes of the Indie Zone podcast, both sides, when they have filed requests for discovery and served it on each other, what they typically do is will file something on the docket, a public record, to memorialize the fact and to document to the court, to opposing counsel, and to the public that a discovery request has been served or it's been responded to. The substance of what is asked for or responded to is typically contained in an exhibit. This is Exhibit V, referencing the fact that there have been many prior exhibits filed under seal regarding requests for discovery, beginning with Exhibit A and now Exhibit V. The third item is a subject document motion to redact or seal newly filed record, Exhibit V to defendant's 23rd Supplemental Request for Discovery. There is a lock and key icon next to the title of this document, and consistent with the item that appears just above it, the motion to seal Exhibit V to defendant's 23rd Supplemental Request for Discovery. The exhibit itself is temporarily under seal, awaiting a ruling from Judge Hippler whether or not to seal this document, that is Exhibit V, from public disclosure. We await the publication of the 2 items that are public records filed by defense. When they are filed, we will provide you with further details regarding what they specifically say, the grounds that they're stating, why this information should be sealed from public disclosure. And we also await Judge Hippler's ruling on whether or not to grant Mr. Koberger the relief sought here. This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.